Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you want to send a professional invoice that includes a secure payment link, you can do it in minutes using Stripe. Whether you are a freelancer, coach, or a small business owner, I will show you exactly how to set it up. Let's get started. What you will need. Here's what you need: a free Stripe account, the client's email address, and the product or service details like name and price. Now go to Stripe and log into your account. From the sidebar, click on the invoices, then create a test invoices. If you haven't set up your business profile or added a bank account yet, Stripe will prompt you to do that first. Just follow the steps. It takes a couple of minutes. Now click add customer, enter customer's email address, and select currency, item, select item quantity, and click save. Just enter their name and email. That's the most important part, since the invoice will be sent directly to their inbox. Next, scroll down to line items. Add items, give it a name, a short description if needed, and enter the price. You can add more items if your invoice includes multiple products or services. Follow my instruction like that. Just enter customer's email address, select currency, then add items. You can add any other item, then request payment collection due in 7 days. You can schedule and date. You can set schedule and date. Manage payment like bank transfer, then click save. Want to look more professional? Click more options or additional option. To add template, like create new template, then enter name, invoice memo, footer, custom fields, or create a group. Tax ID, then add text ID here, add custom footer like thanks for business, confirm, or upload your logo and brand colors for a branded invoice. Just open branding settings, then click logo or icon, and look like that. Then click Save Changes. In the preview section, you can see your invoice there like that. When you are ready, hit Send Invoice, and Stripe will email it to your client with a with a secure payment link like that. Click Email, then Send Invoice. They will able to pay using credit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or even bank transfers depending on your settings. Just go to Gmail. When customer open their email inbox, then here's the invoice. Click Pay this invoice and enter your payment method like bank transfer. Then click Bank, and that's it. Once the client pays, you will see the status change to paid in your dashboard. Stripe dashboard. Stripe usually deposits the money into your bank within 2 to 3 business days. You can check your payouts section to see when the money is on the way. And that's it. Now you know how to send professional invoices with payment links using Stripe. Super simple, totally secure. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop a comment below. If you want to see more Stripe or freelancing tutorials, catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.